Guys, what is up? Lefty back here again, and thanks for checking out the video. So it's been a while since I posted to the channel. Some things have gone on, and then I think I kind of came back for a few months and then kind of disappeared right around that March timeline or something like that. I don't know. It's just been too long. So just kind of want to give a quick little rundown about what's been going on and kind of what's going on for the future and stuff like that. So, as most people know, I was laid off pretty much this time last year, right around July. Those bastards fired me right before the 4th of July, actually. And then since then, been trying to get a job. I happened to find one in early March. Was able to start, buying some things at kind of a slower rate. Was able to make a little bit of YouTube content, but not much just because there's not a lot of free time there. Since then, got a much better job, paying basically exactly what I was making for a tenth of the work, which is pretty cool. But other than that, some things have changed with my son. Now I'm going to basically preschool and stuff like that, so I have a lot more time at home, and I'm actually working from home now again, so that is all kind of cool. So one thing that happened that I was pursuing, kind of silly at this point, as you can see from the title of the video, I was actually looking for jobs, basically, like I said. At that point, I was getting pretty desperate, so I was like, hey, I think somebody mentioned in the comment, hey, apply for police again. I'm like, I don't know, man, that's kind of stupid. But my stupid ass decided to apply for the police. I applied to a few departments around in Minnesota. I got hired at one of them. I'm not going to say which one, but you can probably tell from the headlines of which department needs probably the most people, and that was the one that I got hired on. After kind of walking in there and just kind of seeing everybody and dealing with the chief and stuff like that, like the chief, got no issue with that, even though some of the higher up officers, fine, whatever, but it was just the facility, it was just the people there that were not the higher ups. I did not feel that sense of cohesiveness. There were other departments that I felt that a lot better. And when you have some shit going down, I kind of want the officers that are actually going to be there with me to be, I wanted to feel that sense of camaraderie, that sense of like, they want to be there and they're there to back your ass up kind of thing. So didn't really feel that with the department. I decided to kind of pursue it just to see if that would go away. Ended up getting the job, but having to decline just because with my wife's also job being on the line and stuff like that, I didn't want to go into a kind of unforeseen future when I currently still have this job that I'm working at now, making technically more at this point than I would be there. Of course, once I got the job, then it would be a significant pay rise, but that's just kind of what my thought process was at the time. I wanted to see what was possible, and if it was possible, it is still possible. They need people. I mean, I'm pretty sure if you have a pulse, you can probably get a job as a cop at this point in most parts of the country. But like I said, just didn't work out for, just kind of my family and just kind of the work thing at the moment. In the future, I'm not disregarding it completely, but right now, yeah, it just is not going to work out. Which I think, thinking about it now, is probably a significant boost for the better. So, ever since then, like I said, since June, I've been having this job, so I worked at it just a little bit, about 3 months. And yeah, it's a significant pay raise from when I was working in March, and then basically paying exactly the same that I was working with a job before, which is a nice paycheck every 2 weeks. So it's nice, so I can actually do stuff. Been able to get my hands in a few things that I've wanted to do for a long time, just really haven't had the means, nor, because everything's just been going on. I've been trying to get the house that we bought a while ago and stuff like that. So nothing really fell into place. But now with everything going on, I think it's a pretty good time to get in some of the stuff. So some of the stuff that I wanted to get into for a while is to get it's pretty much ubiquitous at this point. You go on anybody's Instagram, they all got this shit. So, getting into red dot on pistols and stuff like that, getting into different rifles, kind of just shooting more in general and stuff like that. And yeah, so I've been able to do some of that behind the scenes. So I think some of those videos will be fun. Haven't been able to do a lot of shooting recently. These reviews and these sort of things, the content-wise, is going to be more like, kind of first impressions and stuff like that. And just for my perspective, especially, kind of going into the red dot game is kind of interesting. So I think I got like 2 videos on those that will be pretty fun to make and stuff like that. So forward, yeah, I'm hoping to make a pretty consistent flow of content from this channel. Looks like a good time is going to be that Monday and Wednesday for me to record. So that's when I can get some time during work and stuff like that, while everybody else is out of the house. because unfortunately my wife has to go back into work for 51% of the time, which is just, it is what it is. So that's pretty much it. I have my links down below. I don't even know if they still work, but if they do, if you want to support the channel, that is one way of doing it. Yeah, Twitter's been, or X as they call it, has been getting quite spicy, and I kind of like, I've always had a Twitter account, but never really like promoted it. I'm gonna be a little bit more active on that thing, just because I think that's kind of the town square, so to speak. I think a lot of people go there to debate, not really debate, yell at each other and call each other names, but I want to be a part of that to some degree. So I will be active on that, I think, at least for a little bit, and just see what kind of comes of it. It's sort of a trial run. I haven't been really socially active besides YouTube, just because social media in general, I think it just kind of gets people into trouble and stuff like that. So it is what it is. So that's pretty much it. Just kind of wanted to say a quick little update and just kind of the things that are be going forward. And I think I've done, 2 or 3 of these videos in like the past 2 years. So it's just kind of how life goes anyway. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everybody that subscribed to me and has kind of stuck around. I've noticed I've actually been pretty even in terms of subscriber count. I'm just kind of realizing that people may or may not realize why I kind of took the channel down. Obviously, if I was pursuing a police career, I didn't want them to see all the stupidity and autism that I do have on this channel, so I decided to take that down and just make it all private. So that's back up now, at least for most of the videos. Some of the videos that I did not like and only had like, a couple hundred views, I was like, fuck it, just take it down and stuff like that. So my quality can grow. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. More content coming to you in the future, and yeah, kind of excited about it. Got a lot of fun stuff to talk about. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and sticking around, and be good. Hey guys, what is up? That's fucking gay. Hey guys, what is up? Lefty back here again, and thanks for checking out the video. You know what? I'm actually gonna do these without the glasses. Yeah. Start over.